Gonna win the state. Are you gonna win the state tournament this year, Devin?
Are you filming?
Yep. Ooh. Not a good one. Devin, do a good one and I'll follow your skip. Ooh. 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 David's better than you. He wins. Push her in. Push her in.
Oh, God. Do you want me to get swine flu?
Do you want me to get the swine flu?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. I wonder how many people came down here and skipped rocks. They took all the skippers.
David, that was not a good one.
It was not a good one. What about this one? There you go. This
Yeah.
is serious.
That'll work.
Oh.
You're so retarded.
That would
You're gonna get skipper's arm from doing that.
Skipper's arm.
You get like tendonitis.
Oh.
Oh, I missed it. I missed it. This is the big one that got away. David.
Kind of.
How's your shoulder feeling? Loosen it up. Warm it up. Put the jacket on for the next inning. Put it on.
Gotta just cover the arm. Let's see. We gotta get one good one. It's gotta be a good skip.
Seek and destroy.
This might be a good one.
This is so white trash right now. This is.
Don't insult me. This is what I do.
Oh.
Yes. Oh. Well, silly. Well, Kilowog. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.
What is it, a snake?